Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Trello for daily tasks. To use Trello for daily tasks, follow these steps. Log into Trello. Visit Trello's website or open the Trello desktop app on your Windows. Log into your account or sign up if you're new to the platform. Create a daily task board. On the dashboard, hit Create, click Create Board, and name it something like Daily Tasks. Choose a background or color of a background for easy recognition, and hit Create. Add list for task organization. Create lists to categorize tasks for the day. Examples: the do, doing, or done. Add cards for each task. Under the to-do list, create cards for every task you need to accomplish during the day. Example: add a card like email responses or grocery shopping. Set priorities with labels. Now click on one card to reveal its components. On labels, assign labels to tasks for prioritization, such as green for high priority, yellow for medium priority, or blue for low priority. Use checklist for subtasks. Add a checklist for tasks that have multiple steps by clicking checklist. Then add in information according to your subtasks. Then click Add. For example, for email responses, your checklist might include individual emails to address. Add due dates for time management. Go to Dates, then set due dates for tasks to manage your day effectively. Then hit Save. Trello will send reminders as deadlines approach. Update progress by moving cards. As you work, drag cards from the do to doing and eventually to done. Archive completed tasks. Once a task is done, move it to the Archive by right-clicking the card, then hit Archive to keep your board clean. Review and plan for tomorrow. At the end of the day, review the completed list to reflect on your accomplishments. Plan tasks for the next day by adding new cards to the to-do list. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.